Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit on that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. Okay guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, I did my friend Chelles DIY collab with a shell-esque vibe to it. That's what she asked. Okay, the rules were these. We needed to use only $20 and we needed to make a DIY. So I'm not a DIY girl. First off, my friend Shell is the best DIY girl I know out there. She makes the most amazing DIYs. Shell, I know you'll be watching this video, so this is kind of for you. I did this DIY for you. I hope you liked it. I'm gonna show you what I did right now, and then I'll turn the camera around and explain to you what I did. So I actually made this little pumpkin napkin holder. It's got glam on it, Shell, just for you. It's got glitter. So I did that, and I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what I did, and I hope you like the video. Okay, so here's the products you'll need. You'll need 2 of these picks from the Dollar Tree, 2 packs of the napkin rings, some twine, some glitter, glue sticks, old chalk paint, and a glue gun. And I think that's it. Okay, so this is what I did. I cut these little pumpkins off the stems, and then I just gave them a coat of chalk paint, and then I put glitter on top of them. Now this one's still wet, so I can't really touch it, but hopefully the glitter stays on there. Okay, so part 3, I just put a really light coat of the chalk paint on these, and now I'm gonna wrap them with the twine. They're almost dry, but they look as if you've stained them instead of paint them. So this one doesn't look so good. Maybe I should fix that a little bit. Yeah, so I think so far, so okay. My little pumpkins seem to be drying with the glitter. And yeah. Okay, so I finally got the twine on. I did fix them. I think they look really cute. And I did learn something, Miss Shell. Less glue, the better. The glue stick was, the glue gun was actually really hot. So yeah, the less glue, the better. I think they look okay so far. So I'm gonna keep going. And okay girls, there is the finished product. I think it turned out super cute. The wood does look stained. The twine does look really cute on it, and the pumpkin did turn out really adorable. Another step I did that I don't think I showed you guys. Oh, see, there's glue bits everywhere. The leaf, I just painted a green leaf off of that that pick that I used. I just painted it gray, but not opaque. Like if you can see, there's little bits of green showing through. And then the pumpkin, after the glitter dried, as my friend Shell says, if you don't want your glitter to fall off, you gotta hairspray it. So I did hairspray it. So now I'm gonna set my table up, and yeah. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Give this video a big thumbs up, a like, comment, and share. I hope you liked it. My sweet friend Shell, I hope you liked this video. I tried my best. I even burnt my fingers for you. So if you are new to my channel and did stumble by, or you're coming over from the playlist or Shell's channel, I would totally love to have you join me on my YouTube adventures. My channel is mostly home decor and some lifestyle stuff. I'm not a very good DIYer. We'll leave all that to the other girls because, you know, just Not for me. Okay, guys. So I hope you have an amazing day. And thank you so much for watching. And to all my new amazing subscribers, hi, guys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.